our polyurethane tube production. This is the pouring site. We pour the castable polyurethane material into the mold. This process is very critical. Before each pouring, materials that are unevenly mixed at the front end need to be discarded. Failure to pay attention may result in defects in the product. These internal defects cannot be found in the appearance of tube. After being processed into seals, they may appear on the seals, causing the product to be scrapped. Thanks to our nearly 20 years of tube pouring experience, we can do a better job in controlling internal defects in the barrel.